Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Optifine on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser, then you need to go to optifine.net/downloads, and then you need to download latest version here by pressing download, and then you need to wait a couple of seconds until this ad will go off, and then you can download Optifine. And once you do that, then on your downloads or desktop or whatever you save the file, it should appear here, and then you just need to click on that and then press install, right? And if for some reason this is not working, then you need to check if you have a basically a Java installed. So you need to look for on your computer configure Java here, and then you'll get this window here if you have Java, and then you need to go to update and update now and update Java to the latest version. And if for some reason you don't have Java installed to your computer, what you need to do here, you need to just on Google write Java download, and probably it will be the first link here, and then you just need to download Java, install to your computer, maybe restart it, and then you need to right click on Optifine, open with, and then select Java platform C binary, right? And then you need to try to install it here, right? And if for some reason this is not working as well, or what you need to do here is to go to your browser again, then you need to just write jarfix not jarfix, jarfix, and it will be this link here. Then this you should see the solution here. You can fix this problem very easy with the small but reliable jarfix exe program. So we need to press on that, download to your computer, and then jarfix will appear here. And what you need to do here is to press on that, and when you press on the jarfix, you will get this message: successfully jar package Java applications can be executed, again by double click. And if we go again here, we can see that we can install basically Optifine. So after you install the Optifine, you should get Optifine is successfully installed message, and then you can just close it out, and then you just need to open up your Minecraft launcher here, go to options, and then you need to go to video settings, and on the bottom you should see Optifine HD Ultra here, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.